Hello everyone, myself SOSHYA VC, guest lecturer, Department of ECE, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. So, I'm going to take a class about fundamental steps in digital image processing system. See, this is the fundamental steps in digital image processing system. Before that, what is image processing? Image processing is a method to convert an image into a digital form and perform some operations on it. To get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. It is a type of signal dispensation in which input is image like video, frame or photograph, and output may be an image or characteristics associated with that image. Usually, image processing system includes treating images as two-dimensional signals while applying already set signal processing method to them. Next, go through the block diagram. There are 11 main steps in digital image processing. First step is image acquisitions, second image enhancement, then image restoration, color image processing, wavelet and multi-resolution processing, compression, morphological processing, segmentation, representation and description, object recognition, and last knowledge base. Image acquisition is the first step in any image processing system. The general aim of any image acquisition is to transform an optical image into an array of numerical data which could be later manipulated on a computer. Image acquisition is achieved by suitable cameras. We use different cameras for different applications. For example, if we need an X-ray image, we use a camera that is sensitive to X-rays. If we want to an infrared image, we use cameras that are sensitive to infrared radiation. Next step is image enhancement. Image enhancement is the process of adjusting digital images so that the results are more suitable for display or further image analysis. For example, you can remove noise, sharpen, brighten an image, making it easier to identify key features. These are the examples of image enhancement like filtering, histogram, noise removal, linear contrast, median filtering, unsharp mask filtering, decorrelation stretch. So it refers the process of highlighting certain information of an image as well as weakening or removing any unnecessary information according to specific needs. The next step is image restoration. In image restoration, it is the operation of taking a corrupt or noisy image and estimating the clean original image. That is, corruption may come in many forms such as motion blur, noise, and camera misfocus. Image restoration is performed by reversing the process that blurred the image, and such is performed by imaging a point source and use the point source image, which is called the point spread function. It is used to restore the image information lost to blurring process. Nothing in that. In color image processing, it is a step involves processing of color images by taking into consideration the various color models available. The internet forms a major source of color digital images. Next step is wavelet and multi-resolution processing. Unlike Fourier transform, whose basis function are sinusoids, wavelet transforms is based on wavelets. Wavelets are mathematical functions that represent scaled and translated copies of a finite length waveform called the mother wavelet, as shown in the figure. In that figure A shows the Fourier transform and its wavelet transform shows in figure B. That is, wavelet transform is used to analyze a signal into a different frequency component at a different resolution scales. This allows revealing images, spatial and frequency attributes simultaneously. In addition, features that such as resolution may be easy to spot at another. Multi-resolution theory incorporates image pyramid and band coding technique. Next step is image compression. All of you knows the steps. What is image compression? Image compression is a type of data compression applied to digital images. It is used to reduce the cost for storage transmission. This algorithm may take advantage of visual perception and statistical properties of image data to provide superior result compared with genetic data compression methods. Next step is morphological processing. This is the important steps in digital image processing. In morphological operation, it is a broad set of image processing operations that process digital images based on their shapes. In a morphological operation, each image pixel is corresponding to the value of other pixels in its neighborhood. By choosing the shape and size of the neighborhood pixel, you can construct a morphological operation that is sensitive to specific shapes in the input image. Morphological operations apply a structuring element called strl in MATLAB. Types of morphological operations are dilation, erosion, open, close. The next step is image segmentation. In image segmentation, it is a method in which a digital image is broken into various subgroups called image segments, which helps in reducing complexity of the image to make further processing or analysis of the image simpler. Segmentation in easy words is assigning labels to pixels. All picture element or pixel belonging to the same category have a common label assigned to them. For example, let's take a problem where the picture has to be provided as input for object detection. Rather than processing the whole image, the detector can be inputted with a region selected by a segmentation algorithm. This will prevent the detector from processing the whole image, thereby reducing interference time. Next step is image representation and description. In image representation and description is critical for successful detection and recognition of object in a scene. It always allows the input of segmentation step, that is raw pixel data constituting either the boundary of an image or point in the region itself. That is, after an image has been segmented into object and background regions, one intends to present and describe them in characteristics feature for computer processing during pattern recognition or in quantity codes for efficient storage during image compression. In either case, converting the data to a form suitable for computer processing is necessary. What is object recognition in image processing? Object recognition is a computer vision technique. It is used to identify objects in image or videos. Object recognition is a key output of deep learning and machine learning algorithm. When humans look at a photograph or video or watching a video, we can readily spot people, object, scenes and visual details. The goal to teach a computer to do what comes naturally to humans, to gain a level of understanding of what an image contains. This is the last step in digital image processing system, that is knowledge base. It is nothing but in this stage important information of image is located, which limits the searching process. the image knowledge base is very complex when the image base has higher resolution satellite. Thank you.